Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can create a channel for your Workspace and Slack, for example, for your Workspace members to join that channel, to communicate with your Workspace members and to streamline work processes. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Alright, so head over to slack.com or launch the Slack application on your device. Log into your account, select the workspace you would like to access, and here inside your workspace on Slack, what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here to the left, and here you will see all channels that are associated to the given workspace. So if you'd like to add a new channel to that workspace, simply click on that arrow down icon next to channels, hover your mouse over create, and simply select create channel here to the right. And after that, select either channel template from that list here to the left, like for example a team support channel or a channel dedicated to coachings, to customer support, to discussing marketing campaigns, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may choose one of these or simply start with a blank channel here without any specific template. Click on next, and after that assign a name to your channel. So let me name it, for example, growth strategies or something like that. That channel symbol here to the left, sorry, I don't know the English expression for it, excuse my poor English skills here, but I don't know the symbol, but it will be added automatically, guys, so that you don't have to type it manually. And bear in mind also that you can use up to 80 characters for your channel name. Below, set a visibility status for your channel like public or private. Click on create, and in the last tab, invite people to join your channel. For example, you may give Slack the command to add all members of your current workspace to invite to your channel, or click on add specific people, and after that simply enter the email address of the given contact you would like to invite to that channel, or simply skip that for now if you like. And yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, your channel has been created. So now you can describe it, for example, by clicking on add description here, or add more people to the channel, or send emails to channel, or simply follow the conversation below, and so on and so forth. Or if you click on that plus icon here at the top, you will be given the opportunity to do these options here, like for example adding canvases to your channel, and so on and so forth, guys. There's a lot to explore here. Let's call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and I'll catch you later.